Hey everybody, welcome back to Crafted Made Easy. This is Lo, and I'm going to show you how to remove some vinyl, heat transfer vinyl from a shirt using VLR. So stay tuned. Okay everybody, so I have a t-shirt here that I made a few weeks ago. The vinyl started puckering and everything like that, so I ended up just kind of scrapping it, and I didn't want to use the heat to remove it because it would have took too long, but I will show you how to remove the vinyl with heat on a different video, or I might just attach it to this one. We'll see. But at any rate, part of the instructions, this is my first time using this VLR. It's called letter removing solvent. This is my first time using this, but I have heard that it does very well. It says removes vinyl and heat applied materials, does not contain methylene chloride. So it does state that you need to use in a well ventilated area. So I do have a window right here that's open. It says to turn the garment inside out and apply a few drops of solvent to underside of letter. So I'm turning, oops, sorry about the movement. My tripod is right beside me. So I am turning it inside out, and I have a image on the front and the back of the shirt. So right now I'll just do the front. So this is the image. It says to turn it inside out. So there we go. It's inside out, and it says just to drop a few drops to the underside. Stretch and pull the area of the mistake, and this will release the bond, and then you can remove the lettering. So I'm just going to do that. I just opened this bottle up today, and it was kind of difficult to puncture the hole. And this does have a smell. It smells like nail polish remover. So if you are sensitive to smells, you might just want to use like a mask. And I did put some gloves on because, like I said, I have not used this stuff before, and it's just kind of better just to use gloves on this just top area up here. It's hard to see the image, especially through a black shirt. So yeah, it smells like acetone, like it's nail polish remover. Alright. Oh, I feel it coming off already, y'all. Just pull it. I hope y'all are seeing this. Just pull it. Ooh. Oh, this thing works fast. Let me just make sure I got it all. The whole image. Okay. Oh my God, I can't wait to turn it over and show you. Okay. So, like I said, I have an image on the back too, and I'll do that in a minute. I just wanted to show y'all really quickly. Wow. So you see how it's buckling up. It is lifting the image up. I might have missed a few spots here. Okay, look. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, I must have get, okay now. Wow. And the shirt is not damp. I mean, it's damp, but it's not like saturated because I didn't use that much. And look. So a few drops in the area where you have the image at, it's just peeling off. Wow, I think I didn't get. Oh wait a minute, I'm gonna just pull it because it says pull it, and then it'll get it off. Yeah, this part right here is kind of dry, so I didn't really get that part. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see through the black shirts where your image is, but all the areas that I got, look at that. That is just peeling. Child, should have been did this. I should have been using this. All I've been doing is the heat. But I was like, I don't want to pay. Because I got this off of Amazon. I'm sure you can get it from any, like, place that sells vinyl. But I got this from Amazon. I will put the link down below. Alright, let me get these spots. Because this part that's not coming up is kind of dry. So I don't think I got it. But, oh my goodness. I hope I had that in the camera. That it was just peeling off. Alright, so the parts that still have the vinyl on there is pretty dry. I didn't really get that wet. And you see, it just took like a few seconds. You ain't have to let it sit on there or nothing. Let me just make sure if I flip it over that I got it. Definitely do this in a well-ventilated area because, like I said, it smells. Whoever, like, if, ladies, if you know, if you've been in a nail shop and got your nails done, it basically smells like fingernail polish remover, so acetone and the acrylic. Like when they put the filling on your nails. The what is this acrylic? It's acrylic, not acrylic. You don't know what I'm talking. When they put the tips, I think it is called acrylic. That's what it smells like. It smells like that. Like when they put the acetone and they put that powder, it smells like that. So if you are sensitive to that smell, make sure you, well, at any rate, just do it in a well-ventilated area. And if you are highly sensitive to the smell, use a mask. With any chemical, you should use a mask. Well, I keep missing a spot over here. Excuse me. And I apologize for the background noise, but like I said, I have my window open because I don't want to be overwhelmed in my area. So, as you see, I'm just peeling it off. It is just coming right off. And this spot, I keep missing that spot. For some reason, I keep missing this spot over here. You see, it ain't even wet. Well, you can't see it, but it's not even wet. I don't want this video to be extremely long. But I do want to show y'all start to finish how it comes off. Alright. Let me wet this area a little bit more. So this is not... It's not real. How do I keep missing this spot right here? It's kind of tedious to keep going back and forth, but if you get the area the first time, then you won't have to do it. I think it's all right here. I think I got everything from the top. Okay, I think I finally got it all, y'all. Okay, I think I got it all. Look, I say that, and then I turn it, and then the deal will say, still be like, nope. Alright, yeah, look like I got it all. Alright, so you just wet it, pull it, and then peel. Wet, pull, peel. That's it. And this stuff is just coming off like butter. It probably wouldn't even took me this long if I would have got all the spots the first time, but I couldn't really tell where the image was. But yep. There we go, y'all. Look at that. I just gotta work on the other side, but look. basically it is like a brand new shirt. You just wash it and boom, you are able to put another image on there. I don't know what this white line is. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but hopefully it'll come out in the wash. But wash it and boom, another shirt for you to put on a decal on. Now, since you're going to wash the shirt, I don't know if I would use it for like if you're selling the shirt or something like that. But because I would definitely wash the shirt, because you don't want to leave this stuff on there or anything like that, because it's like, yeah, saying it's highly flammable, stuff like that. So, and then the person that you're giving the shirt to, they may be allergic to it or something like that. So I would definitely wash the shirt before you try to reuse it for sale or anything like that. But since you're washing the shirt, I would kind of just use it for self usage or anything like that. But you have a shirt to kind of use if you messed up on the image the first time. Okay, y'all, so that is how you use VLR to remove the image off of your shirt. I will have another video that I did showing how to remove an image from the back of a shirt using a heat press. I won't reuse this shirt until it dries and it's washed or like that, because like I said, this chemical does state on the back. Please, 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 please read all the warnings. It does say on the back to keep away from heat. So I will not be using this shirt to show you how to remove an image or whatever like that, because I do not want to set any fires, anything like that for a video. So please stand by for the other video on how to remove an image using a heat press. And until next time, y'all, peace.